Interesting in exponential equation, 3 exponent of x square root is equal to 2 exponent of x square root plus 1. Very interesting. And so in this type of question, first of all, here the base is 2. We can eliminate this term according to the rule. So 3 exponent of x square root is equal to 2 exponent of x square root into 2 exponent of 1 according to the rule. Rule is that one x exponent of m plus n. We can write x exponent of m, x exponent of n. According to these rules, we are simplify this result. Now we try to finish. Here is x square root and here is x square root. We divide this term by each sides. So 3 exponent of x square root divided by 2 exponent of x square root is equal to 2 exponent of x square root into 2 divided by 2 exponent of x square root. This is cancelled to each other. So now again, when the terms are different and power are same, so 3 divided by 2x, we are using in here general rule, x and divided by y, and power are same. Power is same in here, so we are using this rule, x divided by m and y divided by m. According to this rule, we can write this 3 by 2 x square root is equal to 2. Now taking log on both sides, taking natural logarithm, if we are applying in here, taking natural logarithm, 3 by 2 whole exponent of x square root is equal to log of 2. We can, according to the logarithm rule in here, use log of m exponent of m n times log of m. According to these rules in here, we are applying x square root log of 3 over 2 is equal to log of 2. Now dividing both sides by this term, log of 3 is divided on both sides. And first of all, we can apply in here this rule, log of m divided by n is equal to log of m minus log of n. According to this rule, first of all, we can simplify in here this one, log of 3 minus log of 2 is equal to log of 2. Dividing both sides, divide by this terms on each sides. So x square root is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 3 minus log of 2. Now we are needed x value. We are taking square on both sides. Square on each sides of this equation. X square root whole square is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 3 minus log of 2 square. This is cancelled. The value of x is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 3 minus log of 2 whole square is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.